Hello everyone and welcome back to Doing with Brian. Today we're working on a dishwasher and I'm going to show you a little step by step on how to fix a clogged dishwasher drain. And the good thing about this that no matter what model dishwasher you have, there's not a lot of variation, so this trick should work for all of them. So what I'm doing now is pulling the trays out to show that there's water sitting there, and what I'm thinking is happening is that the drain is clogged with gunk. And so to get to it, we're going to take the trays out. So the bottom ones come out real easy, but the top ones have these little white clips on the end of the rails that you need like a flathead screwdriver to pop off, and then the rack should just slide out real easily. You can see them with little tabs. So we got to get those little bastards out of there if we want to move this thing. And so we're at flathead, and then press against it, and then push it free. See, boom, and then up and out. See, look at that little clip, a little bastard just holding in there, and that's all it is. Yeah, put that over there. And then we got one more over here. Alrighty, now that that's out, there is the arm for the top sprayer, and then there's 3 screws on that arm. See if we can see them. Yeah, that's a Phillips screwdriver head we're going to need for that. And then there's our bottom sprayer. And then I'm going to use these pliers to take the reverse threaded cap off the bottom sprayer. And so it's reversed, so it's not righty-tighty, so you have to go lefty-loosey to get it out. So see how it's reversed? So I'm tightening it righty-tighty and it's coming loose. So once you loosen this up, the blade should just come right out. And I might need 2 hands to do that because it is being a little bastard, and I don't like that. I need to make it stop. Oh, come on. Like normally the whole cap just comes off, but this one's a little on the funny side. So it's just, it unthreads it, and then you have to slide it out because it's keyed on the top. So I need both hands to take it off. There it is. So I slid it off, and now you can see the nut. And then the bottom bolts that we need to remove. So there's 3, and then there's 1 hidden by the arm. So there's 4 in total. And then those are just Phillips screwdriver heads on those. So I'm going to take those off, and then the bottom ones, and that whole thing should be able to slide right out. Yeah, and it's still got some water in there. And then the bottom ones use this little guy, which is a T20. It's got all those little points on there. See if I can get in focus. There you go. I think it's a 6-point bit for the bottoms. And those ones come, yeah, those ones are for the bottom. And the top are just Phillips. Alrighty. And so I took the screws out. So when you're taking off the top screws, you can lay down a rag so it doesn't fall into the water, because that's super annoying. So that's just a nice little trick. And right now I'm trying to take the arm out because it's free now. And so I have to, you see its teeth are locked in place, so I'm going to have to shake it free. Oh, well, we'll stare at the rail for a little bit. There you go. See, now it moved to the right. And then it should pop up freely. There you go. And the whole thing should come out. Ta-da! There's the whole arm. Get that bastard out of there. Alright, and then now we can see the last screw. And this thing comes free now. That was holding our bottom sprayer on. See, that's all it is. And it's got that top little wing nut thing on there. And then here is our connecting arm. Alright, and then we got one final screw that we need to get out of there so the pre-filter can come off. So let me grab that if I can. Where is it? Somewhere right there. Yeah, there it is. And that's that last little bastard. Comes right out. Ta-da! Put those with the rest so we don't lose them. Then that whole thing comes free like that. Ta-da! And now the innards, the pump, the impeller pump should be exposed now, but I can't see it because there's a lot of water still in there, so I'm going to have to scoop it all out of there. So after I scooped it out, now I can see all the nasty gunk that's in there. So I clean all that crap out of there, and then you can see my impeller is a one solid piece. Normally there'd be like another screw to reveal what's underneath there, but mine doesn't have that. So it's just a little trap door that I found a twisty tie right in the middle. So that's what was clogging my impeller, was that stupid twisty tie thing from you know, bread bags or whatever. Don't know how that got in there, but it was. Oh, and so if that doesn't work, check your drain line so it connects to your garbage bowls underneath your sink. So that gray flex hose right there is your drain. So if that doesn't fix it, open up that and make sure that's clean. And before you put it all back together, throw a little bit of water in there and drain to see if it works. And if you hear the water draining, that means you got your problem. So that way, don't put it all together, then test it, because then you have to take it all apart again. But see, the water's gone now, cleaned it right out. And then I'm gonna put it back together. And when you're putting this back together, there is a plastic gasket for the sprayer arm. Don't lose that, because if you don't put that in there, it's not gonna have any, it's not gonna have a seal, so the water's not gonna shoot up and clean the top dishes. So make sure you don't lose that. It's really hard to see because it's kind of blends right in. But looks like it's all hunky-dory now. Good job. Thank you all for watching. Tell me if this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.